Hi guys, Paul here from Beginner Guitar Academy, and in this video I just want to answer a quick little question I get all the time, which is which G should I use? Because you start playing guitar, quite often people will learn this 3-finger G, you might even learn a 1-finger G. You know, I do that with students when we're really focused on technique, because obviously less fingers means you can really focus on what one finger's doing and really get that technique really honed in. So we've got that G, really common 3 fingers. We've got the 4-finger G. You may even play G like this, where our pinky is on the high E, we're not using the first finger at all. So which one is right? You might be thinking, hold on a minute, I've got so many Gs, I don't know which one to do. The good news is they're all correct. So if in a song you see a G chord being played, doesn't have the chord box, you can use any of them, doesn't really matter. Obviously the sound changes between the 3 and 4-finger version of G because you're holding down an extra note, which isn't in the other one. So we've got a D note there in our 4-finger, we have an open B string in the 3-finger. So there's a slight change in sound. But the main thing, or a good way to think about this, is you've got easy G with 3 fingers, harder G with 4. We want to build up to the 4 fingers because it sounds fuller. It has a few other added benefits, so we can change the D chord really well. We can use our pivot finger, meaning 3rd finger stays down between G and D, so you can make it super fast if you're a fan of like AC/DC. You know, Angus Young loves that chord. I was trying to play, what was I trying to play there? Shouldn't Night Long, and then totally forgot how it goes. It's G to C. And then it's G to D. Get it eventually. There's loads of songs do that, even High Rated does that. G. So you can see if you put that 3rd finger down, this makes it so much faster. G and D like best friends, you always see those in songs. So it's a really good thing to try and do. So that's a good way of thinking about it. Easy G with 3 fingers, harder G with 4. This is a great way of playing G with the 3 fingers like this. You can then open up kind of the scale easier for kind of lead stuff. So that's quite a cool way of playing G. So that's quite cool as well. So they're the 3 main ways of playing the G. I'd think that one is easy, that one is hard. Try and work towards your 4. Start off with 3 though, because it's a little bit easier, but any of them will work. And just see which one you like the sound of, play around them and see which one, you know, feels easiest basically. So there we go, hope that's answered the question, which G should I play? You can basically play any of them, and each one has benefits over the other one, but try and aim for that 4-finger G, because that's really the one we want to build up to in our level 2, because it does make it a lot easier to change between certain chords. So there you go guys, hope this has been helpful. Any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll speak to you again in a future video.